3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to another fun episode of Toy Fun 365, where we have the Bruder toy model, multifunctional, from Bruder Toys. Bruder.de is the website, Bruder.de. They make some really cool, lifelike construction toys. Look at this. This is totally cool. Spiel gut. Good play in German, it says, in Deutsch. Wow, very cool. Auch im Kleinen wie der Groß und Grand reproduziert in Miniatur. Very cool. Just like the real thing. Bruder is an awesome toy company, and we're doing a toys review of this awesome Backhoe Toy Fun 365ers. So hold on to your hats. Here we go. Look at this. These are some of the other Bruder toys that are available. So lifelike. Awesome. He's enjoying his Bruder toys. Look, and you have also John Deere tractors. Very cool. I like it. Awesome. Just like the real thing, Bruder. Very cool. Wow, look at this. It's a JCB Midi CX. Very cool. Looking really forward to opening this box up. Awesome. And I got my helper today. Say hi, Baba.
Hi, Baba.
Hey, how you doing today? Are you doing good?
Yeah, Backhoe.
Yeah, Backhoe in the house. Are you totally looking forward to opening this Backhoe?
Yeah.
What color is this Backhoe?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's cool. What color is this?
Black.
Very good. What color is this?
Yellow.
No, that's red right here.
Red.
Yeah. Yellow, red, black. Very cool. What letter is this?
M.
What letter is this? I. What letter is this? D. I. Very cool. Bruder Toys, let's get this box open. Cool. Awesome. Cool. So what's really cool about these construction toys by Bruder is that they look so lifelike. Let's check it out. Whoa. Whoa, that was an easy open. Very cool. I like that. Maybe we'll get that next. The JLG 2505 telehandler. Very cool. Wow, look at the detail on this thing. Even the tires. Oh, let's take a look at the instruction manual. Oh, that's in Korean. That's in Arabic, I think. Wow, very cool. Look at this. They have lots of different other... Well, this is a Bruder toy catalog. Awesome. Look at that. It's so lifelike. Oh, here it is. Just like the real thing. Petro Max. Whoa, the characters look real, too. Very awesome. You can get this at Amazon. Whoa, look at the construction vehicles. Which one is that? Excavator.
Yeah.
Awesome. Which one's a bulldozer? Yeah, those are bulldozers. And this is a skid steer. Which one's a skid steer? Awesome. Where's the excavator? Excavator. Very cool. Awesome. Look at this. Awesome. Look at all of these cool trucks. Oh, it's a garbage truck. Awesome. We'll have to take a look at those, too. You want to take a look at this book, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay. And the Backhoe, too. Cool. Look at this. Look at the details on this thing. Wow. It's like the real... It has a dump truck. Cool. Look at this. Oh, excuse me. Wow, so just like a Backhoe. That is cool. Let's see. Awesome. And the bulldoze part. Whoa, it is so realistic looking. Awesome. And JCB is like a real company. Look at the detail. It is really cool. And it's like, the main part is about the size of my hand, right? And it just really looks awesome. And it has the parts that lift up. So what's really cool, out of all the construction fields, I love to get a Backhoe because, why? Because you can do two things. You can do the excavator part, right? And these parts come down, right? They come down, right? And then they do the excavating here, right? Right, how cool is that? Right? And then, oh, they have cool construction guys too. Right, and that goes up and locks in. And then there's the bulldoze part. Awesome. Very cool. And the tires are really good quality too. Look at those. They look like really cool. Awesome. This is like a really cool toy, like really realistic. Awesome. Very cool. And even the controls, let's take a look at the controls on the inside. Wow, look at the chair and everything. It looks like realistic. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, so check it out, Baba. It's cool, right? It's very awesome. Look, the top, it's like almost like a metal, and it has like a little scooping area where you can scoop, right? And then this part, it comes up. So realistic looking. That is awesome. Love it. So highly recommend the Bruder truck. Oh, look, this wheel even turns. It has even an exhaust area there. Very cool. I'm loving it. Awesome. Oh, look, and it even has the Bruder logo on the side of the tire. Awesome. So check it out, Baba. What do you think? Cool? Very cool. Alrighty, everyone. This was a toys review of the multifunctional Bruder Backhoe. Realistic. Alright, and it was a very cool toy. Check out Bruder's site where they have tons of these other toys. And I'm sure they're just as good a quality, but we'll be doing more of these reviews in the future. So, everyone, that's it for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up for us and hit that bell notification. And if you do, our videos that come out will come out onto your homepage. So, that's all we have for today. Say bye-bye, Baba. Bye-bye, Baba. All right, Toy Fun 365ers. Until next time. See you later. Bye.